Hey, what's up, Kishu Holler? So today video is going very special for Kishu Holler because my friend Kishu is completely star failings now, my friend. This time this is one of the viral coin, my friend, in the crypto market. But I can't believe it at the start of month why they fails down, my friend. There are two big reasons I explain you in this video, and what's my opinion, what's the prediction to upcoming days they're moving up or they fails down. Everything explained in this video. But before I can start this video, I request you, my brother, please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like this video. Okay, my friends, without any time waste, let's get start the prediction. My friend, first of all, I want to draw a line one, my friend. This line present, you can see her touch the highest point, and the second line, my friend, I draw this touch the lowest point, my friend. You can see her. So after a fail fails, my friend, they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down again. So this circulation, my friend, all cryptocurrencies moving like it, this circulation. So definitely, if you can see here, my friend, after this fail, my friends, they take a jump, my friend. You can see here. So this time the change occur as an minus 18.86% fails down. I think this is very big reason just in last 24 hour. I think very big. But the price is zero, my friends. So definitely the price is gonna be zero because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down. So definitely the price come to zero. But my friend, before the last 7 days, you can see here this time the price is 0.0001 US dollar. So I think this is very good price, my friend, and they completely moving in the moon, my friend. So this time if you check out, this time this is the highest point for crypto market. So definitely they're moving off like a rocket. So Kishu holder, I hope the good time is coming soon. The first week of this month, every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down, but definitely at the second week of this month, I hope they're starting moving off like a rocket and they give you very good profit. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaires. So please, if you understand, then please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.